let's test this blender. It says it has 4-speed and pulse, 400-watt super powerful motor, double stainless steel blades. So this is the motor, as you can see. It's not fully covered. You can even see the wirings. This is the 4-speed and this is the pulse of button. So it comes with the big jar for blending and a small grinder jar. It's very small actually. As you can see, it is rather small. There is a measurement marked here, as you can see. See over here, it's in milliliters, up to 1500 milliliter. This is the blade inside. This is the blade inside the grinder. First, let us test the grinder. I'm going to grind some coconut, shredded coconut here. Let's see how well this will get grinded in this. I'm planning to make chutney, and this kind of chutney doesn't require much water for grinding, so I'm not going to add water first. I'm going to blend, I'm going to grind as it is. Let's see. I've taken about this much of coconut. Let's start with the first switch. I would say not bad after all. It does grind. So I need to add little water in this because the chutney requires a little water. Now let's see how well it grinds after adding water. So now I have added little water, so the coconut is moist now. Let's start again with the first pulse. See, it doesn't. Okay, I don't know if you all noticed, it doesn't push the coconuts from this side inside the blade area. So this part is not getting grinded actually when I'm adding water. So basically, if I do not mix water, this grinder works fine. And another thing that I noticed about this blender is that you see this motor. I don't know from where, from this rubber thing over here or from the rubber thing over here. I don't know from where. There is a burnt rubber smell coming from either this rubber or from this rubber. And this is very bad. Imagine the rubber is getting burnt like because of the heat of the motor, the rubber is getting burnt and it's giving that smell. I mean, it's not a good product. I will also test this blender. As you can see, there is a rubber thing inside actually. This rind, as you can see, there is a rind over inside this. It's actually rubber. I will take it out and I'll show you. You see this rubber thing, this is actually placed inside so that, you know, the water, the liquid doesn't come out while we are blending it. This is the rubber that I was talking about. Imagine the grinder gave a rubber smell, a burnt rubber smell when the motor started heating up. Imagine we have this rubber inside the blender. The same shredded coconut inside this blender. Add some water and see how the blender works. Again, I'll put this on first. Okay, so the blender works fine. See, it's already blended. But guys, you will notice the burnt rubber smell. It's either coming from it's coming from the rubber used inside and outside this product. It's not healthy at all. It's you can definitely distinguish the rubber smell, the burnt rubber smell. So I am going to return this product. I do not want anything that gives out a rubbery smell, and especially when it has already a rubber rind inside. I do not want that. So I'm definitely going to return this product. Overall, I didn't like this product. This is the Geepas 2-in-1 blender. That's it. I didn't like it.